Being able to repair a car, it's awesome. I like seeing the cars whenever they first got into the wreck and everything, and then seeing what I can turn it back into. It is a career, but if you ask me, it's a paid hobby. I started taking my classes because I wanted to advance in my career. I wanted to get a better understanding of what I was doing. At TCC, Mr. Sells is a phenomenal teacher. He is going to teach you the right way, and he's not going to teach you to shortcut. He teaches you what you need to do. I learned how to repair dents back to as close to the factory finish as possible. Sanding techniques, proper buffing techniques, proper spraying techniques. It's worth it. The knowledge you are going to get, the certifications you are going to get, and how it is going to help you in this field, priceless. If you love what you do, you don't work a day in your life. And I don't work. I love what I do.